Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I am a maths online tutor. In this series, we are doing transformations of functions, and in this video, we will discuss about horizontal stretching and shrinking. So, horizontal shrinking and stretching of graphs. When given graph is y equal f c x, so c if more than 1. So shrink the graph of y equal fx horizontally by a factor of 1 upon c. And if c is in between 0 to 1, stretch the graph of y equal fx horizontally by a factor of 1 upon c. Okay, so if c more than 1, it means graph shrink, and if c between 0 to 1, it means graph stretch. Okay, this is red one, stretch. Here red one is shrink. So if original function y equal fx is this, and when c multiply with x and c is more than 1, so graph shrinks, this red one. Okay, and here if c between 0 to 1, this y equal fcx, and c is between 0 to 1, so graph stretch, this red one. Okay, here given the question, the graph of y equal fx is shown in the figure. Sketch the graph of each function. So this graph is for y equal fx. Okay, so y equal f2x we have to find out, and y equal f1 upon 2x. So can you see this here? C value 2, it means more than 1, so graph shrink. Okay, and here in b question, c value between 0 to 1, this is half, 1 upon 2. Okay, so graph stretch. So for a question, here y equal f2x is this, because here c value 2, it which is more than 1, so graph shrink. Okay, here just 2 times this. Now b question, y equal f1 upon 2x. So c value between 0 to 1, it means this is stretch. So this, not 1, here just this, like this too. So this is b question, y equal f1 upon 2x. Okay, so if c between 0 to 1, it means graph stretch, and here if c value more than 1, it means graph shrink. By 1 upon c, it means by 1 upon 2 here, and here by 1 upon 1, 1 upon 2, it means by 2 actually. Okay, because here says factor of 1 upon c. Okay, so very simple. If you know this rule, so you can graph very easily, and horizontal shrinking and stretching is really easy on graphs. You can easily observe. If you have any doubt, please ask me, and if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.